great themes, but as the creator, you can make small design tweaks like editing fonts to reflect your own personal style. Start by clicking the Design tab on the left menu bar. Then click on Text/Title fonts. When using templates, they will start out with default choices and settings for title and text fonts. Want to change that? No problem. Let's start with title fonts. As you can see, there are quite a few to choose from. Simply click on a font to see how it will look on your page. It will automatically update. Let's try a few here and see where we land. Okay, let's say that you really like the lobster font. Now you can update the color as well to really make your title stand out. You choose blue, but when it updates on your page, you are not quite satisfied with it. So you can then click on the Advanced tab below to make slight adjustments until you have the perfect shade. Now you simply click Save. Let's move on to editing our text font. You will go through the same steps. Click on a few fonts until you find the perfect one. Let's go with Roboto. Now let's see about size. You can test a few options before you land on the size that you like, and then go through the same exercise to find your favorite color. Once you have made your choices, all of the title and text fonts have been updated on the current page. Now you need to decide if you want this to save and apply these changes to just this page that you are working on or to your entire site. As you can see, there is an option to save for this page or all pages. For consistency, you would like to apply these changes to your entire site, so you simply need to click on the All Pages button and then click the green Save button below. And that's it! Super simple and quick.